Okay, looking at question number 5 is a little different. It's talking about one. He started to save for college. He deposited $500 into an account which earns 4% simple interest annually. At the end of each year, he will add $250 to his account. How much will he have in his account after the end of 3 years? Note, the interest is calculated prior to the year's deposit being made. So we will not use the just simple formula of I equals PRT because we have to calculate the interest separate for each year due to him adding the $250 in at the end of each year. So in that case, my original principal is $500. So we're going to break this down by each year. So this will be year 1. So year 1, we have $500 at the rate of 4%. So if I write that as a decimal, 0.04 And the time would just be 1 year because we're calculating this just for 1 year. In this case, my interest is $20. So at the end of year 1, I have the $500 of my initial deposit plus the $20 that I've earned in interest, plus $250 that I've added into the account. So I'll have a total of $770 at the end of year 1. So when I start year 2, because I added that money into the account, my principal now is $770. And I have to multiply that by 0.04. And because we're calculating the interest just for 1 year at a time, I'll put the 1 right there for its time. And then my interest for that year would be $30.80 if I put that in the calculator. So at the end of year 2, I have my $770 that I ended year 1 with, plus my interest of $30.80, plus the $250 that I would add. So at the end of year 2, I should have $1,050.80. So let's go on to year 3. So I begin year 3 with $1,050.80. So that's my new principal. And I have to multiply that by the 4%. And then we're only calculating 1 year of interest at a time. So then that becomes $42.03. So at the end of year 3, I will have the amount that I started off with, plus my interest, plus my $250 that I would add. And that will get me the total of $1,342.83. And that will give me my answer, D. You also do a lot of process of elimination. For 560, well, you know that it's not just going to be $60 added because I have to add $250 every year. And if I'm adding $250 every year, I know it's not going to be $770, even though that was the balance after year 1. This was my balance after year 2. So you can see how the answer choices are somewhat of distractors of numbers that I actually get. But if I stop working, then I probably would have selected those in error. Okay. Let's look at number 6. John has 4 more years to save for his first year of college. The college John wants to attend costs $10,000 a year. If John saves the same amount each month, how much should he save monthly for his first year of college? This is not an interest question. This is just asking about savings for college. Well, if I have 4 years to save, each year is 12 months. So that's the same thing as saying 12 times 4, which equals 48 months. I have 48 months to get just the first year of college paid for. So if I have $10,000 and I divide that by 48, that would give me the amount of money that I will pay each month because I have 48 months to pay it. Okay. The question to number 8 is very similar to question number 6, as well as question number 7 is very similar to question number 5. Hopefully this will help with your homework. Don't forget on number 4 where it asks you to contrast the sets of bivariate data that you write incomplete sentences. Do not just give me a one-word answer or arrows that draws to that answer. Make sure you write this in a complete sentence.